Welcome to our channel. In this video I would like to explain short review of progressions chapter, including problems which are frequently came in the previous exams. Okay, arithmetic progression. In a sequence, each term is obtained by adding a fixed value except first term is called arithmetic progression. Each term is obtained by adding a fixed value, so common difference will be same. Now the terms in AP are A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D and so on. Here A is called first term and D is called common difference. Its formula is A2 minus A1. If the terms are in AP, then their common difference is same. Its converse statement, common difference is same, then the terms are in AP. Nth term of AP or general term of AP or last term of AP, An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. If we asked sum of n terms in AP denoted by Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Or you can use one more formula, n by 2 into A plus L. N by 2 into A plus L. These are the concepts review for the AP. Write the formula of nth term of AP. Explain the terms in it. Here is a formula, An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Here A is equal to first term and n is equal to number of terms and D is equal to common difference. First term, number of terms and common difference. And next formula, write the formula to find out sum of n terms of AP. Sum of n terms of AP. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Here n is equal to number of terms, A is equal to first term, D is equal to common difference and L value is equal to last term. Okay, L value last term. Next, GP review, not the lesson. Okay, in a sequence, each term is obtained by multiplying a fixed value except the first term is called geometric progression. Which number is multiplied, that fixed value is called common ratio. The terms are AR square, AR cube and so on. If the terms are in GP, then their common ratio is same and its converse. If the common ratio is same, then the terms are in GP. Formula for the common ratio R is equal to A2 by A1. A2 by A1. Now nth term of GP, An is equal to AR power n minus 1. Write the formula to find out number of nth term of GP. Explain the terms in it. Here is a formula. An is equal to AR power n minus 1. Here A is equal to first term and R is equal to common ratio and n is equal to number of terms. First term, common ratio and number of terms. Okay. I will explain one more questions for you. Here the question, Raju said that 2, 4, 8, 16 are in AP. Is he correct? Justify your answer. Here given sequence 2, 4, 8, 16 and so on. Here this is the first term A1, A2, A3, A4. Now if we take the common difference D, A2 minus A1, or second common difference D, A3 minus A2, third term minus second term, and last one common difference D, A4 minus A3. What is A2 value? 4 minus 2. Result is 2. Again A3 minus A2, 8 minus 4. Result is equal to 4. A4 minus A3, 16 minus 8 is equal to 8. Here first difference is 2, second difference is 4, next difference is 8. So are these are equal? No. So you can say that common difference is not same. You can write here common difference D is not same. So they are not in AP. Well, the second one. Find the 7th term and 10th term of AP whose nth term is given 6 plus 2n. Nth term of AP, an symbolic form, is equal to given 6 plus 2n. Here requirement is what? 7th term and 10th term. So n value one time you have to take it as 7 and second time n value take it as 10. So if you want to find out 7th term of AP is equal to A7, 6 plus 2 into n value how much? 7th term, so 7. So the value is equal to 6 plus 2 sevens are 14. 14 plus 6 is equal to 20. So 7th term of AP is equal to 20. Similarly, you have to calculate 10th term of AP, A10. Formula again same, 6 plus 2 into n value given in the problem now 10. So 10. So 6 plus 2 tens are is equal to 20. 20 plus 6 is equal to 26. You can write the conclusion. 7th term of AP is equal to 20 and 10th term of AP is equal to 26. Now the next problem, one more question. Find the sum of first 50 even numbers. Sum of first 50 even numbers. Here are the even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. Up to how many numbers we have to consider? 50. So 50 terms. From this sequence we have to find out A value and D value. Here this is A1, this is A2 and A3. A1 is equal to A is equal to 2 and common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1, second term minus first term, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. So A value is equal to 2, D value is equal to 2 and N value is equal to given 50, sum of 50 terms. So we have to use Sn formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. N value is equal to 50 by 2 into 2 into a value is 2 plus n value 50 minus 1 into d value is 2. So value 2 table cancel, 2 1s are 2 25s are 25 into 2 2s are 4 plus 50 minus 1 is equal to 49 with 2. So 25 into 49 into 2, 49 2s are is equal to 98. Here value 4 say. You have to add these two, 25 into 98 plus 4 is equal to 102. 2550. Shortcut method for the problem. Sum of n even numbers is equal to n into n plus 1. Here sum of 50 numbers given, so 50, n value again 50 plus 1. 50 plus 1 51 into 50, result is equal to 2550. Pause the video. I have explained 1 mark questions and self assessment you have to practice, then you will get some clarity to you. Okay, let's go for 2 marks questions. Now the next problem. If k plus 2, 4k minus 6 and 3k minus 2 are in AP, then find the value of x. The terms are given in the problem: k plus 2, 4k minus 6 and 3k minus 2 are in AP. This is called first term A1, second term A2, third term A3. If the terms are in AP, we know common difference is same. So we can write common difference is same. Means A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. Now what is the value of A2? A2 is here 4k minus 6 minus A1 value is equal to k plus 2 is equal to A3 minus A2, 3k minus 2 minus 4k minus 6. A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. Now 4k minus 6 minus into k minus k minus into plus minus 2 ones are 2. 3k minus 2 same, minus into 4k minus 4k minus into minus plus 6. Now 4k minus k is equal to 3k, minus 6 minus 2 is equal to minus 8 is equal to 3k minus 4k is minus 4k, minus 6 plus 2 is equal to plus 4. Transpose minus k this side 3k, minus k transpose plus k, minus 8 transpose plus 4 plus 8. 3k plus k is equal to 4k, 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. Then value of k is equal to 12 by 4. 4 ones are 4 threes are. Value of k is equal to 3. Value of k is equal to 3. Next second one. Which term of AP minus 30, minus 27, minus 24 and so on is 0? Right? We can write the given terms minus 30, minus 27, minus 24 and so on. Now this is called A1, A2, A3. Right? A1 is equal to A is equal to minus 30. Common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1 minus 27 minus of minus 30. So value minus 27 plus 30. So 30 minus 27 is equal to 3 plus 3, big value. D is equal to 3. We know the relationship now, AN. So here we know A value is equal to minus 30 and D value is equal to 3 and nth term is equal to AN is equal to 0. Now we can apply AN formula. AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. A value 0 is equal to A value minus 30 n minus 1 into D value 3. Minus 30 transpose plus 30. 30 is equal to n minus 1 into 3. into 3 transpose by 30 by 3 is equal to n minus 1. 3 ones are 3 tens are. So 10 is equal to n minus 1. Minus 1 transpose plus 10 plus 1 is equal to n. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11 is equal to n. So n is equal to 11. So we can say that 11th term of AP is equal to 0. 11th term of AP is equal to 0. Well, the next problem. In an AP, 7 times of 7th term is equal to 11 times of 11th term. 7 times of 7th term is equal to 11 times of 11th term. This is the statement given. What is given? 7 times of 7th term. 7 times of 7th term is equal to 11 times of 11th term. 11. Right? Now 7 into 7th term formula in AP, A plus 6D is equal to 11 into A11. 11th term formula A plus 10D. Okay, now 7 into A is equal to 7A and 7 6 are is equal to 46. 7 6 are 42 is equal to 11 into A plus sorry 11A plus 11 tens are is equal to 110D. Right? Here 7A, here 11A. Now this is big value, so transpose that side. What we will get? 11A plus 7A transpose minus 7A. Right? And plus 110D plus 42 transpose minus 42D is equal to, now all the terms are transposed, so we can write here 0. 11A minus 7A is equal to 4A plus 110 minus 42 is equal to 68D. Right? Now 0 we can write 4, you can take out common from the 2. 4 if we take out common term, 4 common means here A the remaining from the first one, and 4 how many times? 68. 4 17s are 68. 17D. So 0 is equal to 4 into A plus 17D is called as 18th term. Now by 4 into 4 transpose by, so 0 by 4 is equal to 18th term. 0 by 4 is equal to how much? You will get as 0. So 18th term of AP is equal to 0. Thank you for watching. I hope you understand. The remaining part, 4 box and objectives, you will discuss in the next video. Please watch that also. Thank you.